Hi everyone. Today I'll explain how to record a macro in Excel. Macro is a set of instructions which can be used for doing repetitive jobs in Excel. These instructions are written using Visual Basics for Applications, abbreviated as VBA, which is integrated with the Excel software. So you can either write this VBA code to create a macro or you can record a macro in Excel. Today I'll explain in very simple steps how to record a macro and use it in Excel. To record a macro, first you need to enable the developer tab. So I have already enabled the developer tab. So you can see the developer tab in the Excel main menu. So you can see the developer tab in my Excel main menu. So click on the developer tab. So you can see this option to record macro. So now click on record macro. Now you have to give a name for the macro. So I'll just give it as format. You can give a shortcut key. Shortcut key I'll give Shift F. So your shortcut key is Control Shift F. We have few options here to save the macro. So you can save it in this workbook or you can use a personal macro workbook. The difference is if you use a personal macro workbook, this macro will be available throughout all Excel files in this particular laptop. If you use it as for this workbook, then it will be available only in this particular workbook. So I'll use it as a personal macro workbook. So it will be available for all the Excel files which you are going to create in future. So shortcut key is Control Shift F. So whatever actions I am going to do now, everything will run by clicking Control Shift F in any of the files which you are creating or in this particular Excel file also. So I'll just click OK. Now I'll type something here. Okay, so I'll format this text. I'll use the merge option. Merge. I'll change the font size. I'll make it 20 and I'll change the color to yellow. Now few cells I'll select and then I'll do the formatting. I'll put the cell borders and then change background color and font size within those cells I'll make it 16. Now I'll also make this complete border little dark. Even this border I'll make. Now this is what I am going to create. Whenever I press Ctrl Shift F, this set of actions are going to be repeated in that particular Excel file. So now I need to stop this recording. So go to the developer tab, stop recording. Now it has created the macro. I'll go to another page and then press Ctrl Shift F. So that has created. Once you create this macro, it will be available in all the Excel files which you are going to create in future. That's how you create a macro in Excel. Thank you for watching.